good afternoon, welcome to Outdoor Interlaken. We are on our way up the roundabout, the Gletscherschlucht and the canyon swing. My name's Matt, and down the bottom today is Anna. And the team, what are you guys doing, okay? Woo! So who we got first today? What's your name, bro?
My name's Aaron.
Aaron, we got this time.
Hi, I'm Peppy.
Peppy!
It's
Okay.
our 4-year anniversary. I learned about this from him.
Uh-huh.
He had done it. And now I'm doing it.
Excellent,
I can't wait.
excellent. There we go. What's your name? Where are you from?
Jacob, I'm from Washington State in the United States.
Alright, check it out. Jacob's about to jump into the canyon right here. Check it out.
Well, that was something else.
Yeah. How long did it go on for?
An eternity, I think.
Nicely done.
I think my voice is gone. I'm screaming.
It was a pretty impressive scream.
Oh yeah.
Nice one. Gletscherschlucht. We've been with Outdoor Interlaken doing our canyon swing. Here it is. It is 90 meters straight down, 50 meters of free fall, and 100% crazy. Here are our jumpers today. Woo!
Yeah!
Show my nephew and my wife how to do it.
Yeah, well, what was it like the second time around then?
Just as exhilarating, just as freaky. The sensation of falling is so strong. It's really cool.